Hi, I'm Janelle.
I'm Sheila. We're the Furniture Sisters.
And we are going to take you on a journey. We're going to take an old 70s clunker dresser piece and we're going to modernize it with some new paint color and some hardwares. So come and follow the journey.
Follow along.
Here we go.
Next piece we're working on is this changing table. And it's in pretty good condition. It's a Bassett. The top may be a little rough, so we'll have to work with that. We've got one issue here with a broken leg we'll have to work with. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. First step is to give it a really good cleaning, and we're going to remove this hardware. So we're going to try and remove the base of this trim right here. We kind of don't want, we want it a little more masculine and more updated with that. We've got these screws here. We'll go ahead and unscrew those and see what it looks like after we get this trim off. All right, here we go. All right, one piece gone. We successfully removed that bottom piece of trim to reveal just some very straight, simple legs. We're just doing the prep work on it. Just had to fill in some of the gouges and imperfections with a little wood putty. So we'll sand that down and give it a coat of primer. I just sprayed a little bit of shellac on this piece, and here's the reason why. I took the legs off, or the original trim, and this revealed some particle board. And when I sanded, I cut right into that MDF board. If I paint on that, it will absorb the water in the paint and expand. And that is not the look we're going for. So I just sealed it with shellac. The shellac dries really fast. And then we'll be able to go ahead and put our first coat of paint on. First coat is finished.